Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's videos I'm going to show you on how to make a call using your W26 smartwatch. Let's go! Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Josh here, and for today's videos I'm going to show you on how to make a phone call using your W26 smartwatch. We have already connected our W26 smartwatch with our Fando application here. So let's try to make a phone call. So we're going to turn on our Bluetooth in our smartwatch. Click visibility on, and it's already on guys, turned on. And now let's try to connect it with our phone. This is very important guys. So as you can see, we have here Watch LE and Watch 6. So the Watch LE guys, it's connected to our Fando application. So it means the features that you want, you can use it if you connect it to the Fando app. But if you're going to use the phone function such as call, all you have to do is also connect the other Watch 6 here. Yes, so this is like a separate Bluetooth guys. So the Watch 6 LE is for your Fando app, while the Watch 6 is to control your smartphone and to make a phone call. So now let's just try to make a phone call guys. It remotely dial the number using our smartwatch. Okay, so that's how easy it is guys. So I'll make sure that the two Bluetooth will be connected. So Watch 6 LE for your Fando Pro, and then Watch 6 is if you want to make a phone call using your smartwatch. Alright, so guys, if you have any questions, kindly comment down below, and if you like this video, kindly click a thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you soon.